Come take a look at this new 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the LT Preferred Equipment Group, floor covering, graphite-colored rubberized vinyl, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper, manual folding and extending, black, Victory Red, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, jet black, cloth seat trim, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timing BA5 compatible, flex fuel, transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy-duty, electronically controlled LED, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Wheels, 18 inches, 45.7 centimeters, forged polished. Aluminum, tires, LT 265/70R18E all-terrain, black wall and the trailering equipment. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.